Difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. What is supervised learning? Supervised learning is a type of machine learning that relies on labeled datasets. These datasets are used to train or supervise algorithms so they can correctly classify data or make predictions. By learning from inputs and their corresponding outputs, the model can assess its performance and improve over time. Supervised learning can be separated into two types of problems when data mining: classification and regression. Let's study them in detail. Classification. Classification tasks involve using an algorithm to categorize test data into defined classes. For example, it can distinguish between apples and oranges. In practical scenarios, supervised learning models might be used to filter spam emails into a separate folder. Common classification algorithms include linear classifiers, support vector machines, decision trees, and random forests. Regression. Regression refers to a supervised learning technique where an algorithm identifies the connection between dependent and independent variables. It's particularly useful for forecasting numerical values, like estimating future sales revenue for a company. Frequently used regression algorithms include linear regression, logistic regression, and polynomial regression. What is unsupervised learning? Unsupervised learning applies machine learning algorithms to explore and organize unlabeled datasets. These algorithms identify underlying patterns within the data without any manual labeling or guidance, hence the term unsupervised. Unsupervised learning models are primarily used for three key tasks: clustering, association, and dimensionality reduction. Let's study them in detail. Clustering. Clustering is a data mining approach that involves grouping unlabeled data based on similarities or differences. For instance, k-means clustering algorithms group data points that share common traits, with the k indicating the number of clusters and their level of detail. This method is widely used in applications like customer segmentation and image compression. Association. Association refers to an unsupervised learning technique that uncovers relationships between variables in a dataset through specific rules. It's often used in areas like market basket analysis and recommendation systems, such as generating suggestions like customers who bought this also bought. Dimensionality reduction. Dimensionality reduction is a technique used when datasets contain too many features or dimensions. It simplifies the dataset by reducing the number of inputs while maintaining important information. This method is commonly applied during data preprocessing, such as using autoencoders to eliminate noise in images and enhance visual quality. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning can be compared to training a pet. In this approach, the model engages with its environment and gets feedback in the form of rewards or penalties, depending on the actions it takes. Over time, it learns to choose actions that lead to the highest overall reward. Example. A common example is training a computer to play chess. The model makes various moves, receives outcomes, such as win, loss, or draw, and gradually learns which strategies are more likely to result in success. Difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Data availability. Supervised learning depends on labeled datasets, whereas unsupervised learning utilizes data without labels, while reinforcement learning gains knowledge through interaction with its environment. Learning approach. Supervised learning trains on labeled examples to predict outcomes or categories, whereas unsupervised learning identifies hidden patterns or structures in data without prior labeling, while reinforcement learning learns through trial and error, aiming to make decisions that maximize long-term rewards. Examples: supervised learning, used in tasks like image classification, email spam filtering, and translating languages, whereas unsupervised learning is applied in customer segmentation and detecting irregularities in data, while reinforcement learning is common in strategy games like chess or Go and in technologies such as self-driving cars.